Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can request verification on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy, and once you are here, you simply need to click on for professional creator tools and controls. Simply need to scroll down and click on request verification. So once you are on this page, then the first step you need to confirm your authenticity. You simply need to add your username, your full name, your document type. Here you need to add your CNIC. So you can add driving license, driver license, passport, national identity card, tax filing, recent utility bill. So it is up to you. And then you need to confirm your notability. So here you need to add your category, your country, your audience, and if you also known as, you simply need to add, and here you need to add your social links. So you can add up to 3 links, and after that you need to click on submit. Then the Instagram team will review your account, and after that they will verify your Instagram account. So this is the process by which you can verify your Instagram account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.